Hello viewers, welcome back in this channel. So in this video I'll show you how you can open Ziidi Money Market Fund by Safaricom. So what you need is to have an M-Pesa app installed in your device. So you can get it from Play Store. So you just log into Play Store and search M-Pesa, and so this is the M-Pesa app by Safaricom. So I've already installed mine, so I'll just click on open. Yeah. So the next thing to do is that it will prompt me now to key in my M-Pesa pin. So I'll just key in my M-Pesa pin and I'll be able to log in. So this is now the M-Pesa app. So we are interested on Ziidi invest and save option. So here there is an option here written financial services. So I just click on the Ziidi option. Yeah. And then give it a few seconds. Then key in my M-Pesa pin and I'll be able to log in. Yeah, you just give it some few seconds to log in. Yeah, so welcome to Ziidi, an investment service that enable M-Pesa customers to invest from as low as 100 shillings. Yeah, and from here you can be able to get competitive returns annually with instant withdrawal. So just click on opt-in. So just click on opt-in, then it will prompt me to key in my M-Pesa pin, which I'll key in, and and here we are. So I've already opened my Ziidi account. So definitely Ziidi will send you a notification SMS showing you that you have already logged in or created an account with Ziidi. So this is now the notification SMS. Yeah, so let me go back to Ziidi. So whenever you want to make an investment, you just click on invest and then you key in the amount that you want to invest, click on continue, then key in the M-Pesa pin, and definitely you'll be able to invest that money. So depending on the amount that you have invested, you'll be able to gain annually interest at this percent. Currently the interest rate is at 6.85%. So you'll be able to, your money will be able to gain some revenue from that interest rate. So whenever you want to withdraw your money, so you just click on withdraw. So Ziidi offers instant withdrawals. So whenever you want to withdraw your money, just click on the amount that you want to withdraw. Then it will prompt you to input your M-Pesa pin, and definitely that money will be transferred to your M-Pesa M-Pesa account. Yeah, so that is how you can open Ziidi Money Market Fund by Safaricom. So thank you very much for watching this video, and if you're new in this channel, remember to subscribe, comment, share, like, and also hit on the notification bell so that you'll always be notified on our new uploads. Thank you.